Hello guys, I am back with another, and as promised, I'm gonna trying to make more videos in a more reasonable time period. So yeah, in this video we're going to be making a bot, and we're also going to be making a lobby. So yeah, before we start the video, if you like what you see, please, I would really appreciate if you like, if it helps you out. Maybe even a subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get started. We're first gonna make a new sprite and call it bot. We're gonna take the same costumes from player, and then we're gonna put them in bot. Okay. Good. Then I'll name this Trust. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to code, go to events, get a one green flag clicked, control, and then get a forever loop and put it under the one green flag clicked. Duplicate it. We might need it for another thing. We're gonna get an if then, go to sensing, get a, or actually, instead of get rid of the if then, we're gonna make another sprite and call it bot range. And then we're going to make a circle indicating the range on where the bot can see. Okay. Then we're going to go to costumes. We're going to go to events, get a green flag just clicked, looks. Then we're going to get a set color effect to 0. We're going to change the color to ghost and set the ghost effect to 100. So that means it will always be blank. Won't be able to see it, but it will still be there, able to sense things. Then we're gonna go to control, get a forever loop, put it under or in between where flat is clicked, or under the set ghost effect to 100. Then we're gonna get an if then, put it in the forever loop, go to sensing, get a touching mouse pointer, and then if touching ball, then we're gonna go over to event, get a broadcast slash, and make a new message and call it bot slash. Oh, and actually, make it a broadcast slash, bot slash, and wait. Just so we're not like spamming it, or it keeps on retreating, repeating. But then we're gonna go back to bot, get a when I receive bot slash. Then when I receive bot slash, go over to looks, or actually, go back to player, and then these sprites right here, this code right here, we're gonna take and we're gonna put it in the bot, keeping it in here. Go back to bot, and then we'll put it under the bot slash. And go to looks, get a switch costume to rest, and put it in between the when green flag clicked and forever loop, one of them. Okay. Then we're gonna go over to ball. Oh, and also go to motion, get a set rotation style, and then set it to left and right. Put it in there, in the middle. You don't have to put it in there. You can just set it like that. Then we're gonna make it point in direction -90. Now put it in between the one green flag clicked and forever loop. Okay. Okay. Now that we have this simple starting thing, we're gonna go over to ball, and then whenever we're gonna, oh yeah, go back to ball real quick. Oh, it's already there. sorry, my fault. Then we're gonna get an if then. We're gonna go to control, get an if then else, and then we're gonna go to operators, get a get an equals then. Next up, we're gonna go to variables and make a new variable. Call it turn. Actually, yeah, turn. So who's it? So basically, who's the ball is gonna turn to? Get turn and put it in the first part of the equals operator. If turn equals P for player, then point towards player. So we're gonna oh, and actually we're gonna duplicate the if then else, and then we're gonna put it in here, and the green flag clicked and forever loop. If turn equals P, we're gonna take the point towards player and put it in the if turn equals P, then point towards player. If else, turn or point towards bot. If turn equals P, then we're gonna go to variables, get a set turn to B for bot. If else, set turn to B. Good, nice. Go to control, get a wait 1 second, and set it to 0. Actually, I'm gonna set this to maybe less, like 0.5. Okay. Then, oh, and bot range. We're gonna go back to bot range, go to motion, get a go to random position, and set it to bot. So it'll always follow the bot. Then we're gonna put bot in the opposite position on where what's it called? Player starts. So go back to bot, get a go to X 36 Y 28, and set it to negative 150, and we're gonna set it to player Y negative 40. So it's on the ground. Okay. Then once we start the game. Oh, and also actually make it at 150, not negative 150 for the X position player. Or maybe it's a little too much, the range. Oh, missed it. Oh, and another thing, go back to player, and then go to control, get a wait until, and put it under as the last thing in if mouse down, then broadcast slash, So we can't just hold it, and if we just try to click it once, we might accidentally hold it, which will count it as slashing again, which will waste our slash, causing us to miss it if we're trying to do it fast. Also, for like just so like isn't like, how do I explain that? People just can't just hold. They actually have to click, so they have to be skilled, so yeah. Okay. Let's start the game. Okay, hold on. Go back to ball. And then now that it isn't just going back to the player, get rid of move blank negative ball speed plus 45. So it doesn't instantly go towards the person. Then we're gonna go back to player. Then if touching ball, then we're gonna get another if then else. Go to operators, get a equals them, equals to. Go to variables, get a turn, put it in the first part of the equals operator, and then if turn equals p, then I'm gonna put it over the sorry, we're gonna put it over the if costume less than 5, then broadcast if else. So yeah, if else, then nothing, then blank. Then we're gonna go over to bot and do the same thing. So just if turn equals B, then we'll be able to slash it. Just so we're not like, if the ball touches it and then touches it again, it'll just go back to you and instantly kill you, basically. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. Hold up. Wait. Hold on, I gotta set something. Player. Yes, it stops it instantly. So still counts the... Oh. So, if touching ball, then if turn equals P, then if... That's a lot of if sounds. If costume is greater than 5, then broadcast slashed. If else, then stop ball. Okay. We're gonna make a new variable, and also yeah, go back to player, and name it p slash, short for player slash. Then we're gonna set p slash to 1, and then we're gonna put it in the if then in if costume number is greater than 5, or less than 5. Sorry. Set p slash to 1, broadcast slash, yeah. Then we're gonna select p slash when the game starts. So when green flag is clicked, set p slash to 0. Okay, nice. Oh yeah. Good. We're gonna go to control, get an if then, go over to operators, and then if p slash equals 1, then nothing will happen. We'll set p slash to 0. If else, then we'll set if else, we'll wait 1 second. So only if we miss it. If it equals 0, that means we missed it. But if it equals if p slash equals 1, then we got it. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna go back to bot and do the exact same thing. But we're gonna make a new variable and call it b slash for bot slash. Do the same thing. So yeah, just do the same thing as you did before. but with B slash, not P slash. B slash 1. Okay, good. All right, and set B slash 0. Sure. Okay. Save now. Oh. Also, maybe instead of it being so high, might miss the ball possibly. So instead, do this. Completely slashes. Yeah, so change the swords so it points outward instead of completely up, because it might miss the ball due to like it not being a big enough size. So yeah. Copy. Delete, paste. Copy. Delete, paste. Okay. Then yeah. Hold up. Found the problem to why it hasn't working. It took a bunch of time and I finally figured out. I made a new variable and changed and I used click. Named it click. Every time I clicked, like I pressed, the mouse went down, I changed click by 1 and I put it in between the winner receive slash and repeat 5. And whenever I clicked, it doubled. At first, it said 1, but then it changed to 2. And so the reason is because even though I clicked, still accidentally click again. So go to control, get a wait 1 second and change it to 0 and put it under the wait until 1 second or mouse down. Then do the same thing with the bot. So for the bot, you go to bot range and put it under thing. So yeah, that's how we did. Okay. Now we go to player, we go to variables, make a new variable and call it lobby. We're gonna set lobby for right now, just for now. We're gonna set lobby to 0. Actually to 1. And then we're gonna go over to, then if, we're gonna go to bot, actually. Then we're gonna go to control, get a wait until, and a wait, we're gonna go to operators, get a wait, operators, yeah. We're gonna get an equals on, and then wait until, we're gonna go back to variables, get a lobby, and then wait until lobby equals 0. And do it for all of the entities, for all the entity sprites. So with the ball too, bot range, Okay. No. And then we're going to go to player. And then we're going to get a wait until. Get a set slash to 0. Then change it to lobby. Set lobby to 0. And with the wait until override. Okay, and put this in between the one green flag and forever loop. And then wait until, for the setting, get a key space pressed. Wait until key space pressed. Then we're going to set lobby to 0. Starting the game. You can't move. Just block right now. Until, right? Until we press the space bar to start it, we cannot do anything. The game will not start. Now it will. So for right now, we're just going to end it off here. So, yeah. And then in the next video, we're going to work way more on the lobby. And also, we'll add abilities in the next video. So, yeah. If you like what you see, if you liked what you see in this video, or if it helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and maybe even subscribed. But that's the end of the video, so